Good morning, everyone. Just getting my day started. I got a nice workout in. I have a hair appointment. So I am just getting ready to get dressed now and head to the hair salon. I am going to be trying out the scalp scrub, so I'll bring you guys with me and let you know how we like it. I did text my hairstylist and ask her if she had heard of it. She was like, no. I was like, well, I'm gonna bring it and then we'll determine if it's something that I can use. So yeah, we'll see. If she thinks it's okay, then I'll use it. If not, we're gonna scratch it. We're headed to the hair salon now. I'll let you know how the scalp scrub works out. So let's go.
Spaces in between. It's magic when I taste you in the beam. Average day is spent all in the sheets. Emphatic when I tell you what you mean. Chemistry, intimate memories. Every time I give you energy. Emphasis, never sleep. Say you have me. Oh, tasty and see.
Hey everyone, so it is the next day. I wanted to come on and just give you guys a little update on the Ouai scalp and body scrub. So I did take this with me yesterday to my hair appointment and my hairstylist used it. There are some pros and cons. The pros, I think it's a great product. I actually used it on my body as well and it is amazing. It smells amazing. I actually really like this scrub over other scrubs that I use because it lathers up like a soap, if that makes sense. It has a really nice lather and it smells amazing. So love this on the body. This would be a great product on my hair if I did not have extremely thick hair. So this is not thick hair friendly because it's difficult to get it in your scalp. And so that's what my hairstylist was saying while she was doing it. She was like, I feel like we're wasting the product because more of it is getting on your hair and not actually getting in your scalp. I mean, she was really trying. So like around here, she had no problem. But like getting like in there, she had to kind of like work it in there like really, really good. And so I don't know how effective it is for girls with thick hair. I think if you have finer hair, you would be good because it would be easier to reach your scalp. It was just too difficult for me. Also, if you're relaxed, it may be easier too. As you guys saw in the clips, like my hair, as soon as water hits it, it's just like, so yeah, great product. I love it. But for the price point, I'd rather just continue to use it on my body. I will continue to repurchase this for my body, but not my hair. Now, my hairstylist does an amazing job shampooing my hair to begin with. So I don't even know like if it really made a difference because her shampoos are so amazing anyway. Like my scalp always feels so nice and clean after she shampoos my hair. But it did not weigh my hair down. Like she was able to go in and shampoo all the sugar and the product out, which is something I was concerned about. I saw in the reviews, some people said that it had weighed their hair down. I was like, I don't understand how, because you literally put this on before you shampoo. And so she gave me like 2-3 good shampoos and the product was out and no problem. As you can see, my hair is fine. My hair looks good. Can we just talk about my edges? She complimented my edges yesterday. She's like, Johnny, your edges are looking so good. So, yay, me. Postpartum problems. Yeah. If you're a new mom, you know what I'm talking about. So anyway, I like it. Great product. I probably won't use it on my scalp again just because it's a waste. My hairstylist has tons of different products that she uses for scalp buildup and things like that anyway. That's a great product for someone who does their hair at home also. So if you're a person that like does your hair at home, this will be great for you. I don't do my own hair ever. The most I do is wash it and just throw it in a bun or blow dry it and put it in a ponytail. That's it. I don't do any special treatments or anything on my hair. So I'll keep, like I said, I'll keep using it on my body because I do love it as a body scrub. But that's about it. So yeah, we're getting ready to head out because I need to run a Target and get some actual like real things. I need to get light bulbs. I need to get batteries. Yeah, stuff like that. Like I actually need to get like real household stuff that we need around here. So I'm gonna do that. I need some new like lip glosses. So I may stop in Ulta too and just look at like some NARS and some Buxom lip glosses or something. I don't know, but my lip glosses are like non-existent. Like I've been killing my She Beauty. My She Beauty Chanel is almost gone. And that's like my fave. So I'm gonna probably go into Ulta and buy some new lip glosses because I don't feel like going to Sephora. And then I'll get in Sephora and start buying other stuff. And I just need lip glosses right now. So yeah, that's the plan for now. PJ's new playpen is arriving today. So we're excited about that because y'all, we have a crawler. Yes, PJ is crawling and PK and I are freaking out because it was like overnight he just woke up and wanted to start crawling. I'm like, oh my gosh. So we ordered him a playpen. I went to Bye Bye Baby to look for some. They had one, but it was just too big for the space, and I wanted one that we could travel with also, one that could fold up and we could like throw in the car and take with us when we're in Chicago. So we found one on Amazon. That's coming today, so I'll show that to you guys. He also got his new Lovevery play kit, so I'll show you guys that too. But yeah, we're gonna get out of here, get my morning started. Got Seth off to school, so we're gonna go ahead and go now. And I'll either check in with you guys when I get to like Ulta or just wait till I come back and show you guys if I got anything. Whoa, my hair is crazy. All right guys, it is a few hours later. We actually been back for a while, but we went for a walk. It's like 62 degrees today, so wanted to go out, get some fresh air, get some steps in. I do have a training session this evening. I kind of switched up my training sessions. So I'm doing one evening session and then one afternoon session. So today I have my evening session, so I have to be there later today. So I'm really just chilling right now, editing this vlog that you guys are watching now. I uploaded a vlog earlier today. I got my iced coffee here. So yeah, and PJ is napping. So all is well over here right now. And so I got another couple hours before Steph gets home from school. And then we got some stuff to do after school. He has a concert this week that he's performing in at his school. So we're gonna be preparing for that. And then there's a dance this weekend, so we gotta get prepared for that. So, you know, all the mom things. That's pretty much what I'll be doing this later this afternoon up until it's time for me to go to the gym. PJ's playpen came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that real quick. Hold on. We got PJ's new Lovevery kit that we're gonna open when he wakes up from his nap.
Running through my head.
You want to put ear socks on? Look. Hi. All right, everyone, so just got back home. I went and ran a few errands, and I went to Target because there were a few things that I forgot to pick up yesterday. One being the light bulbs, which was the main thing that I went in Target for, and I actually made a list and I still forgot to get the light bulbs. So I went back and got light bulbs, and then I also got few other things. So they finally restocked the Versed Instant Resurfacing Mask. I've been wanting to try this, and yesterday I was in there, they didn't have it. Today I went in, fully stocked. So yeah, I've heard really good things about this, and a lot of my faves use this, and so I thought I would give it a try, and it matches my nails. And it's recommended to use once a week, ideally at night. So I'll add this to my nighttime routine, and it says made for aging skin and dullness. I know your girl is about to be 40, so I need all the anti-aging products I can get. I also picked up the Black Girl Sunscreen, the gel for the face, make it matte gel for your face. It's ultra sheer, fragrance free, SPF 45. So I have the face and body already, but I wanted to try this because in the spring and summer I don't like to use the face and body one because it's just so thick. So this says it's a gel and it is matte, so I'm excited to give that a try. And then I also got the boys some sunscreen as well. So I got Sefton, the Black Girl Sunscreen for kids. This is the one that I always buy for him, or that I've bought for him since they released. So I got that for him. And then I got the Baby Balm Mineral 50 sunscreen for PJ. So yeah, and then I got some Think protein bars, which I ate one already because I was hungry. Also picked up this little basket. I'm gonna use this for PJ's like bath stuff, his soaps, shampoos, lotions, things like that, because they're kind of like scattered all over the place right now. So I got that for him. And so I'm gonna go in here now and eat a little light lunch and get ready to go to the gym. And I'm sorry I didn't get to record a lot for you guys last night, but my camera died and I was just like in the zone and I was just like, forget it. So I'm gonna go eat something, feed PJ, and change my clothes and head to the gym. So I'll see you guys at the gym. All right, bye.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at puff spot. Jet for peace.
Drop the data, now we plot inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push P. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P.
She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P.
Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P.
Push P.